Eufy has consistently pushed the boundaries of smart home security, and the Floodlight Cam E340 is no exception. Packed with innovative features, dual cameras, and advanced AI capabilities, it promises to redefine your outdoor surveillance. Recently, we got our hands on this amazing floodlight camera, and we cannot wait to share our overall impression with you guys. So let's just dive into unboxing right away. As we can see, the package itself is surprisingly big. Right up front, we got the E340 camera itself along with a few important accessories tucked in a separate box just beside it. It includes a USB cable, a bracket that's already pre-installed on the camera, a sticker to figure out the perfect spot, a hook for easy installation, some screws, a friendly warning sticker. On top of that, a quick start guide is also included. So everything we need is all inside this box. Now it's time to put it to the test. Now, before we set it up, let's talk about the aesthetic and build quality. The Floodlight Cam E340 boasts a dual camera setup providing multi-dimensional protection. The upper lens features an impressive 2K resolution with up to 8x zooming capabilities, while the lower lens offers a 3K resolution with a broad 130-degree field of view. Now, what sets this camera apart is the zooming capability without having to compromise on clarity, allowing users to capture detailed actions up to 50 feet away. Additionally, the brightness level can reach up to 2000 lumens distributed across 2 panels. Besides that, it does have the flexibility to adjust the lighting's brightness, and the color temperature ranges at 4000 degrees Kelvin. The floodlight not only serves as a deterrent but also enhances the camera's performance in low light conditions. And even though this camera is a little bit bulky, it weighs only 3 pounds, which signifies a robust build, and the IP65 weatherproof rating ensures it can withstand various weather conditions. Also, the smart illumination feature based on motion and schedule adds an extra layer of security and convenience. Okay, let's talk about getting this Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 up and running. Installing this turned out to be really convenient. The whole process was made super friendly thanks to the pre-installed mounting bracket and the handy accessories that came along for the ride. Now, let's power it up with that USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Simple and straightforward, and it did the job without any fuss. We truly appreciate when a device does not come with a complicated set of charging gymnastics. Also, the weight of the camera itself has a substantial feel to it. You pick it up and you get this sense that it means business. It's like holding a piece of tech that's not afraid of a little rough and tumble, which for an outdoor security cam is precisely what you want. And here's the thing that really caught our attention during the setup: the 24/7 recording capability. We're talking about a camera that does not take breaks, which is pretty reassuring when we're all about keeping tabs on what's happening around our space. On top of that, the storage support for up to 90 days. This is exactly what we and every homeowner want from modern flood cams like this. Plus, with the local storage via the microSD card up to 128 GB, there's no need to fret about losing important footage. It's like having our own personal surveillance assistant that never forgets. So while we're setting this thing up, we could not help but appreciate these thoughtful touches that make a real-world difference. The installation was smooth, the charging was a no-brainer, and the added perks like the robust build and extensive recording capabilities, those are the kinds of features that turn a simple setup into a security powerhouse. As for the app support, it's straightforward, which is a relief for someone like us who usually struggles with complicated setups. It's user-friendly with easy-to-understand icons and options that even non-techie people can navigate without having to feel lost. Now, the dual camera setup is where it gets interesting. A 360-degree horizontal and 120-degree vertical field of view was enough to fully cover outdoor space. Also, adjusting the camera's view was really simple, just swipe and tap to get the perfect angle. During our trial, we wanted to keep an eye on our front door and the backyard simultaneously. With a simple move on the app, we could adjust the camera's view to cover both areas seamlessly. Moving on, let's talk about flexibility. The app goes beyond just a wide field of view. We could pan and tilt the camera just as we wished, allowing us to monitor specific spots with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's keeping an eye on the front door or checking out what's happening near the garage, adjusting the camera angle through the app was as convenient as it sounds. During our testing, the versatility of the Floodlight Cam E340's app was evident. We could smoothly transition between different monitoring points, making the whole process feel less like surveillance and more like having a high-tech security sidekick. And whenever we needed to get a closer look, the 8x zoom capability came in handy. We could zoom in without having to lose clarity, capturing details that might have otherwise gone unnoticed. It functioned really well, and we were definitely satisfied with the result. So, there you have it, our journey into the app functionality of the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. It's not just about the features, it's about a seamless and intuitive user experience that makes outdoor monitoring feel like a walk in the park, even if that park is your own backyard. This Eufy gadget isn't just an ordinary camera, it's a reliable companion that gives you eyes where you need them the most. Now let's talk about the built-in AI integration. With on-device AI detection, it functions like a smart security guard that knows exactly what's going on. During our trial, we were definitely surprised by seeing its ability to distinguish between humans, vehicles, and even pets. But here's where it gets impressive: the subject lock and tracking feature. It seamlessly focuses on a subject and then smoothly tracks its every move. We tested this out when someone approached in front of the door, and the Floodlight Cam E340 did not miss a beat. It locked onto the person, tracked their movements, and captured the details with impressive clarity. This AI tracking isn't just a gimmick, it genuinely enhances the camera's ability to catch important actions in detail. Whether it's someone lingering around a property or a car pulling into the driveway, the Floodlight Cam E340 is like having a sharp assistant who never loses sight of what matters the most. So the AI tracking on the Floodlight Cam E340 isn't just a fancy feature on paper, it's a practical game changer that adds a layer of intelligence to your surveillance. It's the kind of tech that not only sees but understands, making sure you're in the loop only when you need to be. As for smart compatibility, the Floodlight Cam E340 seamlessly integrates into smart home ecosystems with its dual-band Wi-Fi 6 connection, supporting up to 5 GHz bandwidth. This ensured a stable and fast connection throughout our testing. Also, the compatibility with virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa adds another layer of convenience for those who want a complete hands-free experience. In the end, the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 is a standout performer when it comes to floodlight cameras. Whether you prioritize detailed video footage, customizable notifications, or seamless integration with your smart home, the Eufy Floodlight Cam E340 delivers on its promises, and it's definitely recommended.